this chapter is all about operations on functions, okay? Which is a pretty simple concept because all you're really doing in this chapter is adding functions together or subtracting them or multiplying or dividing. There's actually a fifth operation that you have kind of done before, you just didn't know the name of it. It's called composition. So functions actually can have 5 operations. You can add, subtract, multiply, divide, and I guess compose or do composition. I'll show you what that means in the last section. But today is just adding and subtracting functions. And the whole idea behind this is unifying the properties and the characteristics of 2 separate functions into one. That would be what you do when you add 2 functions together. And showing how they're different would be when you subtract them. Okay? So an example of that is, you guys remember back in Physics 11 where the law of superposition meant that if you took 2 waves that were both crests, like this, right, and they ran into each other, their amplitudes would build on each other at the point of collision, right? So the amplitude would actually get bigger. And if you had a crest and a trough of equal amplitude, they would cancel each other at the point of collision, right? That's the law of superposition. And really, what's happening there mathematically is the sinusoidal equation of one wave and the sinusoidal equation of the other wave at that point either cancel each other or double each other's amplitude, depending on what kind of wave is coming in, right? So mathematically, what's happening is you're having an addition of 2 functions, right? And that's creating some kind of net result, okay? So today we're going to be studying more examples of phenomena like that,